Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kele Foko, the founder of Kele Foko, an image coaching company based in Johannesburg. Today I'm with my friend Riri from Rerhinaturals.
Hi.
And she's going to take us through how to lay down your lace wig.
Hi everyone. So first thing is first. The first thing is it's time to just put a little bit of powder on your lace. So you just powder it up so that we can get the makeup to set. Once you powder it up, we're then going to be spraying a little bit of got to be on the lace just so that it can set properly. Once you have set your powder on your lace, we then add the got to be on it. And this will help it set. And you leave it out for about 10 minutes. The next step would be, we'll be putting down a nude cap. So the nude cap should be closest to your skin tone as possible. And this nude cap should also be blended to whatever makeup you're using, whether it's a foundation or powder that you can blend with your lace. We're going to be using the got to be spray, and this time we're using it on the cap. So we put it all around the cap, very close to your hairline as possible. So currently I'm putting the spray all around. This way it helps to make sure that the wig actually holds on. Our next step is cutting off the excess cap. So we just gently cut off. Right now I'm using got to be gel. Right. Just to lay this down. So I'm just gonna put it on the front because I'm using a frontal and it's not a 360 lace wig. Once that is done, you let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you're in a hurry like me, you then have to use a blow dryer, of course. So next step, which is hopefully our last, looking by the looks of it, we're almost done. So we'll be just adding the wig, and you put it as close to the lace cap as possible. So our next step would be blow drying the lace, right, so that it can dry with the glue, right? And then you'd be able to slouch your hair backwards and you can get hugs and without worrying that your wig is going to come off. And as you can see, the lace is nice and glued down and it's not going anywhere. Like it's done.
So this is the final look, guys. Thank you very much, my friend.
For having me.
So if you want to follow Riri on all social media platforms, she goes by the name of Rerhinaturals. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.